Hey, what's up guys? It's Navarro, Head Trader Penny Stocks Club 13. It's Thursday, January 14th, 2021. And I hope you saw yesterday's video on DPW on fire. And is IDEX next? Guys, it sure was. It sure is. It sure will. Guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed yesterday's video. Again, I can't tell you how much I appreciate all those new viewers out there. Guys, thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. I hope I can help in some way. That's what I'm here for. And to my team, PSC 13, guys, man, I love you guys. It was awesome trading with you every day. I love the chat room. I love the energy. I love the teamwork. Guys, let's keep it going. We're hot. We're on a streak. And let's just keep it going. So, before I get to breaking down DPW, guys, just do me a quick favor. It doesn't take much. Just hit that thumbs up, that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. And I appreciate you for it. So thank you all for watching. Let's keep going. So DPW, guys, again, it's hot. I told you it was gonna just trigger IDEX. It did. Let's break down DPW and then move on to what we're watching for tomorrow and the next week. All right, guys, so here's the 1 day 3 minute. Yesterday, you saw the video, took off, got news, took profits, jumped back in today. I believe and I know, I feel it's gonna have a continuation. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. But why or what do I see right now? If you're an experienced trader, you can already see the pattern. If you're not, and you're not familiar with support and resistance levels, let me break it down for you guys. And I'm gonna show you what I see and what I believe is gonna happen. So one of the things that I told the group right off the bat is initial pre-market low was around 540. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna draw my price level line, 540. Okay, and then we're gonna change the tool here, get the trend line, and what I'm gonna do here is just do this little, descending triangle. So that's the pattern we see. This is a continuation pattern. When you see this kind of pattern, it's a continuation pattern because you've got your little flag pattern, right? It's a little flag / wedge pattern. So why was this 540 level important? Well, let's go ahead and activate this, or let's go ahead and right click there and extend it to the left. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to a longer time frame. So we're gonna go to the 20-day 1 hour, and we're gonna notice here that the previous rejection was exactly at 540. So it's no coincidence that that's where it found support today. So now what we're expecting, or what I'm expecting, is a breakout tomorrow, something like this, and then eventually, maybe, if it doesn't give it in 1 day, something like this. Is it gonna happen? I don't know, but you can see the flag pattern, breakout, extension. That's what I expect. So, man, I jumped back in today. I'm hoping it goes, and I believe it's gonna go. It's got great news. It's just going through a time of its life, DPW, guys. So let's just put it that way. Now, what happened with IDEX? Well, IDEX, again, it had some news today. Nothing significant, but it had some news, and man, it delivered. It delivered today. So let's go to the 1 day 3 minute. If you saw my watch list, I had an entry at 3, and you can see how it straddled that $3 level and came back down, tested that, what was it? That 290 level. So you get your initial high at around 307 or so. So you could have played this different ways. Again, I gave you an entry at 3. We did take an earlier entry at 290. So, that's where it bounced. And it just continued going. It's still going up. We did take some profits up here. I told the group, and then after that, boom, it tumbled. but now it's coming back up. This one is just on a super hot strength, guys. You can see that 90 EMA holding support, then you got this 20 EMA holding support, and it just, those two trend lines were just kind of a double trouble type of thing, where they were just holding support all day long to the probably the last hour of the day. And what I think happened here, this is just profit taking. This was just a lot of accumulation, just a lot of profit taking that took place, and that's why we saw the bounce and not a complete breakdown. And I believe this one can continue going, so I'm still holding some IDEX. Now, what else did we trade? Well, some of the team members noticed SunW was up. You know, it made this huge move. So if we go to the 1 year, 1 day, you can see that it's been on a tear. We traded this one several times. We got it down here from around 550, and you know, the rest is history anyways. So what happened after they announced that? I told them, let's now look for POLA. POLA usually follows SunW. So let me go ahead and do something here and kind of zoom in. So this candle, we were playing it here right off the around the $8 level. So let's go ahead and go to the 1 day 3 minute. So right down here, it was trickling down, and I told them we gotta enter right when it breaks that $8.15 level, which was VWAP. We entered there, and it just never looked back. They were asking me, well, what's the PT? What's the profit target? I was telling them 10, easily 10, easily 10. It did break 10 easily, and gave a little more. It still looks like it wants to go. It's kind of flagging. I'm holding just some few shares. I did take profit at 10. It did trickle higher, but I decided to hold on to the last few shares that I have. What else can be triggered because of SunW and POLA? This is not my call out. Again, this is part of the teamwork on PSC13.com, which if you are interested in joining, go ahead and visit www.psc13.com. Check out our pricing plans, guys. Go ahead and select one, join our group, become part of a community that's here to support you and help you grow your trading knowledge, guys. So the next one was called out by Eureka, one of the best team members. Actually, all the team members are great, so I'll shout out to all of them. But one of the most active team members in the trade room. So her call out was PPSI. And what a nice call out. Well, what's going on here? Well, PPSI is part of the sector of renewable energy. So if we go to the 1 day 3 minute, you're going to see what happened afterwards. She mentioned this one, and I told her my trade idea. I said, you know what? We've got this resistance level here around 535. It got rejected at 550. So anywhere between 540 550 would be the entry. It gave that after hours. She did enter beforehand. She held, and right now it's up. What is the next plan after if we couldn't enter before 550? Well, on a pullback, if it does give a pullback to 550, then that would be your entry. If it doesn't do that, let's go ahead and check the 1 year, 1 day. I'm thinking anywhere between $5.75 and $6. Even this rejection level here, 614. This is your buy zone, guys. You do have a good buy zone, because what is the upside? The upside over here, you can see my trend lines. We've got this 750 level, and then we've got this 9, and finally that 950. So does it have a big upside compared to our downside? Yes. The risk reward ratio is there. This is a hot sector. I recommend the buy zone. Again, I'm not telling you what to buy, what to sell. This is simply something that you can have an idea as far as how to trade it. You trade at your own risk. You are responsible for your own actions. But in my opinion, anywhere here is a buy zone, and then the rest is profit taking. Guys, that is it for me. We'll catch you in the next one.